Jen and welcome to Tongo Traveler. So I guess you have an idea where I am right now. I am on the boat. I am on the ferry we are on the ferry towards Igoumenitsa, back to the mainland. And we didn't have to go to Corfu in order to get the rapid test. My husband need to have that since he's got only one dose of the vaccine. So he took the rapid test in Lefkimmi. I'm gonna put the name of the clinic on the video description. So after 15 minutes he's got the result, a negative, and it costs 15 euros. It's €5 cheaper than the ones he took in Parga town. So now we are, you know what, we didn't know that there's a car ferry between Lefkimmi to Igoumenitsa, because when we went to Corfu that time, we took the Igoumenitsa to Corfu town, so it's kind of long journey from the Corfu town to all the way to south to Kavos. So now our plan is to go to Paxos, another island. This ferry, it takes 1 hour and 30 minutes from Lefkimmi port to Igoumenitsa. So we were told that there's a boat, car ferry that leaves to Paxos at 2:45. So we got 45 minutes because this ferry arrives in Igoumenitsa port at 2 in the afternoon. So we got plenty of time to buy tickets, and yeah. So the plan now is to go to Paxos, stay there for a night or two. We've been so much hopping around this time, guys. I haven't booked anything yet or any place to stay in Paxos, so we'll see. And yeah, I'm gonna update you more later. Hey guys, we are now arriving in Igoumenitsa. Hey guys, now the big question is, where are we going to stay next? We ended here in a 4-star hotel, Paxos Club Resort, and we have a family suite room. So are you ready to take a look? Let's go. So here is the room. I closed the curtain, guys, so that it cools faster. There's the air condition. Yeah, I got a window here. There's the bed, television, mini kitchen. Yes, you get coffee cooker. What's this? This real? Oh yeah, real bougainvillea. We got fridge. That's it. And then here is the closet. Yeah. We got big bathroom. Look, even here it's a small detail. Disinfected. And second room. Here are 2 rooms here. Here is the second room. Cabinets. And the television and also air condition. So from budget room, we ended up in this hotel instead. So later, maybe tomorrow, I'm gonna give you a tour outside how this hotel looks like. And for now, I'm going to have a drink. Okay, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. It's me again. Wait, I can put my cup because I'm so there. Part of the patida. So, you know what guys, you can explain it. It's really hot right now. It's sticky and that stretch our legs. We are relaxing here, me and my husband. He's drinking this
Absolutely.
yeah, maybe you know Greek. Can you Greek? This is, can you read? This is the beer. Anyway, it's there. What's the name of this one?
Amstel.
Amstel. That's what he's drinking now. And they got lots of types here made in Greece. And then I drank it already. Finished. Chardonnay. That one. Let me see. It's on 12% volume of alcohol and 187 ml. And it's kaputki, finish. And then now, so I still got another drink here. So my husband opened another one. It's called Prosecco Ponteviglioni. It sounds fancy.
Italian.
But this one is 10.5% volume of alcohol. And it's, what is this? Chardonnay too?
No.
What is this?
Type of champagne.
It's a champagne. Champagne, guys. It's called. So, there. So anyway, what made us change there at the budget room, guys? Because we got 2 big suitcases. Those suitcases weighs more than 23 kilos. Can you imagine? And then The space on that bed, I didn't get a chance to take a video, but that room is only one room, and the space around the bed is only like that. So where can we put our suitcases? So it's really impossible. So now we are here and we're enjoying our drink. So okay guys, I'm gonna update you more, and then maybe tomorrow I'm gonna take a walk around this resort, and then also fix my hat a little bit now. Is it there? I'm a little bit tipsy now guys. I get tipsy fast. So thank you so much for watching my vlog for today. And hey, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and give me a thumbs up. So yeah, we got 3 more days to go.
Yes.
3 more days to go, and then we're back to Norway. And going back to Norway, that's also another interesting story. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Okay, so bye for now. And this is Jen, your Tongo traveler, saying every day above ground is a beautiful day. So smile.